Hello guys, welcome to my channel NEET UG by Dr. Priya Sharma. Today we are going to solve 2020 question paper. Subject we are discussing today is biology. The chances of repetition of these questions are maximum. So today we are going to solve 10 more questions. Let's begin with the first question. Meiotic division in the secondary oocyte is completed in prior to ovulation, at the time of copulation, after zygote formation, at the time of fusion of a sperm with an ovum. Answer is fourth. Meiotic division of secondary oocyte is completed after the entry of sperm in secondary oocyte, which led to the formation of a large ovum and tiny secondary polar body. According to the Robert May, the global species diversity is about. Answer is 7 million. Robert May estimated 7 million, although some extreme estimates range from 20 to 50 million. The first phase of translation is binding of mRNA to ribosome, recognition of DNA molecule, amino acylation of tRNA, recognition of anticodon. Answer is third. Next, before next we are discussing why. The first phase of translation involves the activation of amino acid in the presence of ATP and linked to the cognate tRNA, a process commonly called as charging of tRNA or amino acylation of tRNA. Which of the following regions of the globe exhibits highest species diversity? What should be the answer, guys? Answer is Amazon forest. Very easy question from ecology. The largely tropical Amazonian rainforest in South America has the largest biodiversity on earth. Which of the following statement is not correct? C. The question asked is not correct. Be very careful while reading the question paper. First option, the man insulin is synthesized as proinsulin. The proinsulin has an extra peptide called C-peptide. The functional insulin has A and B chains linked together by hydrogen bond. Genetically engineered insulin is produced in E. coli. What should be the answer, guys? Answer is third. Let's see. Functional insulin, AB is linked together. Disulfide bridge should be there. The transverse section of a plant shows following anatomical features. Now we have to identify the category of plants and its parts. See, this is the question. Identify. This is a very lengthy question. Read properly, okay? The answer is monocotyledonous stem. Okay, next question. Match the following columns and select the correct option. We have to see column 1 and column 2. Then we have to, this is a very time taking questions. You should solve at the end. Okay, I guess according to me, when I solved NEET UG, I used to end with these questions because they are lengthy. Okay, question is asked, correct option. Please read the question paper carefully. So let's read what is written in column 1. 611 pairs of grilled slits, heterocycle caudal fin, air bladder, poison sting. Column 2, trigon, cyclostomes, chondritis, osteochitis. What should be the answer, guys? The correct match should be first. Okay. You should read this. Why the answer is first, you should have to read the whole explanation. Okay. Next. From his experiments, S.L. Miller produced amino acid by mixing the following in a closed flask. What should be the answer, guys? First. Next. Embryological support for evolution was disapproved by. C. Not approved. It is disapproved. C. That's why I always say read the question paper carefully. First answer, Earl Ernest and von Beer. Why? He noted that embryos never pass through the adult stage of the other animal during embryonic development. See, this is the answer why it is disapproved. Next, the process responsible for facilitating loss of water in liquid form from the tip of grass blade at night and in early morning is root pressure. Root pressure is positive hydrostatic pressure. It develops in tracheary element at night and in morning. So we have already solved 40 questions from 2020 paper. If we carry on like this, soon we are going to solve all the questions and get prepared for NEET examination. Thank you for all watching this video. If you like it, make sure to press like button and subscribe this channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you and all the best NEET UG aspirants.